A very good afternoon to all of you. This is Shivam Shukla and here I am to draw a problem on projection of solids. It's a two-stage problem on square prism for 6 marks. The question goes as, it's a question number 3B, December 2019 CBCGS. It was asked for 6 marks in the university paper. A square prism, edge of base 35 mm and axis 70 mm has one of its base edges in the HP. So till here, as the statement it goes, this is stage number 1. As the statement goes over here, with its axis inclined at 40 degrees to the HP and parallel to VP. Axis inclined at 40 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. This entire thing is stage number 2. So let's proceed. As it is given clear cut has one of its base edges in HP, that means the true shape of the base is seen in the top view. So let us first draw the top view. So as you can see, XY line is drawn, parallelly a distance, vertical distance of 10 mm is taken and a 35 mm edge parallel to the XY line is drawn. Now I will be drawing the base edges exactly perpendicular to it. So it will be like this, 35 over here, even 35 over here on both the sides. Otherwise I can take it perpendicular to it like this. So it is 10, 20, 30, 35. Okay. Once this is done, let us complete the square prism. It gets completed like this. Then and there, dear friends, let us just take the projections and let's just make the front view. If I see it over here, it will get projected like this. It will get projected like this. So I can simply extend these lines, these projections, and I can make the front view. So it will be over here, axis is 70 mm. So 70 mm I will be drawing it straight up. From this point straight up it goes by 70 mm, marking it over here. So this is like this. Even over here 70 mm to be marked like this. Okay, so once these are drawn as dark, even these edges, base edges would be dark and even top base edges would be dark. Okay, like this. So once I'm done with this, I'll be just simply naming the parts, corners. That is, this will be 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. This will be 2 dash comma 1 dash. This will be 3 dash comma 4 dash. This will be again 2 dash comma 1 dash. This will be 3 dash comma 4 dash. As you can see, my dear friends, I need to plot the axis as well. So how do I get this axis? So I will be simply joining the diagonal points, corners, so that I will be getting the axis point. So once I am done with this, I will be needing the corner points. Okay, like this. Once I am done, I will just plot it like this and then I can get the axis point, my dear friends. So it will be like this, exactly perpendicular to the XY line. So I will be simply taking the projections up till here and then the axis to be extended on both the sides, maybe by 5 mm each. Okay, so once I am done, let us go for stage 2. With its axis inclined at 40 degrees to the HP. Now in stage 2, axis is inclined at 40 degrees, that means base will be inclined at 90 minus 40, that is 50 degrees. So let us draw the base first, which will make the construction easier. How do we make stage 2? So by leaving a distance of 10 mm over here, then we'll be leaving a distance of 35 mm on the other side. So total 45 mm distance is left out and I'll mark it like this. And this point to be plotted as 3 dash comma 4 dash. Okay, so now I'll be just taking the angle, which is nothing but 50 degrees. Base will be making 50 degrees. So as you can see, base is 50 degrees. It's over here marked. So now I'll be making on this particular base, I'll be taking 35 mm base that we'll be drawing. So again it will start from here and it will get completed over here. Now what do we do? This is the other point that I can mention it, 2 dash comma 1 dash. Okay, now I can just extend the lines, or else I'll be simply taking it in the rounders. 3 dash comma 4 dash, I have taken it over here like this. So this particular distance is taken in compass. Okay, so friends, it is like this. So this is same 3 dash comma 4 dash taken like this, and that to be taken as parallelly over here. It will be cut an arc like this over here. Again for 2 dash 1 dash, even it will be cut as an arc like this over here. Now I can take any of the distances from 3 dash 4 dash to 2 dash 1 dash. This distance will be taken like this. So once I do take this particular distance, now I'll be cutting the arc. So now how do we cut the arc? It will be just set up like this, and from this the arc will be cut like this. From here the arc is going to get cut like this. Once we are done, I will be simply plotting the points then and there. This is the point, this is the point over here, this is 2 dash comma 1 dash, and this will be 3 dash comma 4 dash over here. So once we are done, let us join these with the help of the dark lines. So from this 2 dash 1 dash to 3 dash 2 dash 1 dash, this one, it will be a dark line. Even from 3 dash 4 dash to this 3 dash 4 dash, it will be a dark line again. So once we are done, we will be simply just joining these bases. As we have joined these bases, now let us go for the top view. So as you can see, my dear friends, I'll be taking the projections one by one at the bottom of all the points. This is taken, this is taken, even this point is taken. All are taken very much perpendicular to the XY line. If you see, only the thing axis is left out. So let us draw the axis as well. So by taking the distances of the axis, so this is the one over here. So I'll be taking it like this. I'll be cutting the arc, I'll be cutting the other arc like this. So once I'm getting it, I'll be mentioning the axis like this, and then I'll be marking the axis line as well, which will be a medium thick line. So this is the way the axis line is drawn. Since I have got all the projections over here, now I can get this points. Okay, this is projected, this is projected, the first base is projected over here. Okay, now one by one I'll be simply naming the points. I need to simply name the points over here, dear friends. Okay, so let's see how to be done. This is point number 1 over here, this is point number 2 over here, this is point number 4 over here, this is point number 3 over here. Again, this is point number 1, this is 2, this will be 4, and this will be 3. Once we are done with this, we will be joining all the points which are there on the external boundary, or which covers the external boundary area. So these are the end points which are to be joined. These are the points which are expected to be joined. These 2 points are expected to be joined. Last but not the least, my dear friends, these are the edges to be joined dark. Now friends, since this is a square prism, so total number of edges, those are going to be 12. 4 top base, 4 bottom base, and 4 side edges or lateral edges. So out of those many we have drawn, and let us see the remaining one. So now the edges which are left out are this one, 2 dash 1 dash, even this 3 dash 4 dash. So only these 2 edges are left out. So how do we draw them? 2 dash 1 dash, since we will be seeing from the top, so that definitely those are going to be dark, because the vision of the observer is going to be from here. Vision of the observer is going to be from here, and while the observer is over here, he will be seeing from this particular corner till this particular corner. Everything the observer will be able to see. So now 2 dash 1 dash, so it will be visible. That's why I'll mark this 1 to 2 edge as dark. What happens to 3 dash 4 dash? Since it is there at the bottom, so it will be dotted. So once I did make it, I will be simply now naming the parts. My diagram is over, everything has got completed. I'll be just simply naming the parts. So this is the thing, axis is inclined, axis ka angle which is given to us is nothing but 40 degrees to HP. So theta is equal to 40 degrees, and of course it is parallel to VP. And stage 1, I can mention it over here, my dear friends. Stage 1 and stage 2 both I can mention it. Stage 1, base edges in HP. That means square prism. This is not expected to be written. Square prism with base edges in HP. Now second stage, that is stage 2, to be specific. Stage 2 I can write, that is axis inclined at 40 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. Axis inclined at 40 degrees to HP and parallel. I can show the symbol of parallel to VP. Now I can simply show the dimensions, which are nothing but like this: base edge of 35 mm as well as the axis is of 70 mm. So I can simply mark all these one by one like this. Can start it up from here, completed. Now I'll be showing the arrows. Okay, so here it will be 35. This particular distance is 35. This particular distance is 70. The marks distribution are 1 mark for the front view, 1 mark for the top view. This is stage 1, 2 marks. Stage 2, 2 marks for the front view and 2 marks for the finishing top view. This is how the problem gets completed. So please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.